I would say everybody's attention to detail, just commitment to doing the job right as far as taking care of the inspection, or whether it be an unscheduled squawk that they're trying to take care of, and getting that airplane airworthy again and back in the air as quickly as possible for the customer. We know that downtime is lost revenue in a lot of cases. I joined the company in 2012. I've been in corporate aviation for about 30 years. My role as the senior sales manager is to build and develop the customer base as well as maintain it from both a maintenance standpoint and avionics install, or even paint and interior as well if the customer is looking for that. So I try to create a well-rounded experience for the customer and a good handoff to our production planning department, and to make sure that they feel comfortable with the process here, and to be sure to follow up to make sure there might be something that was missed, which normally is not the case. I just like to come full circle with them and make sure that they're happy to come back and do business with us again in the future. There's been a lot of transition of new ownership in corporate aircraft as a result of going through COVID and people not wanting to fly commercially. And they've got a taste of trying out private aviation during that time, and they like it. What that means is that there's a lot more demand today for getting the airplane in for scheduled service, and we just recommend that you try to have the mindset that you need to pre-plan a lot more in advance than you have in the past. You know, our team just does a wonderful job in supporting that idea and that aspect of business.